and we're both businessmen. I'm a businessman, so I want to tell you, I am a businessman. I'm a businessman, and I'm also a software engineer. I'm a software engineer. I'm a software developer. I'm a software designer. I'm a software businessman. I'm a software engineer. Like Steve Jobs, like Bill Gates, Steve Wozniak, the list goes on, right? Like these technologist type people like Elon Musk. I'm like these people. I'm like these people. I'm gonna edit this, put this up on YouTube. Yeah. But good to talk with you, man. Um, I'm able to pivot. You know, if I need to pivot, I'll do a pivot. I think it's good that I just make a video right now about Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak. This is more valuable than the video I was just making, so I'm transitioning from what I was just making, and an idea came into my head. So this video will be about being able to pivot, being able to change your mind when you need to, right? This is my computer setup here. I have a Dell monitor my sister gave me, Microsoft keyboard, a little bit dusty, but it works. This is Windows XP running. You need the numlock and flock. 198 is my birth year. I use that as a quick password, right? Oh, it's still winter here. Look at this. This is ridiculous, eh? February 23rd today. Or is it February 24th? I have to look at the calendar. Let's look at the calendar. I think it's February 24th. Yes, it is. Monday, February 24th. And it's, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 days left in February, then we'll be in March. Somebody left their pizza lying out. I live with some roommates here, some students, but I'm moving out the end of March, moving into a new place with my business partner, Jared. This hat says LifeWave. So that's a company that I'm involved with. I can't say I work for them, but I am involved with LifeWave. Yeah, this is my computer. This is good. This is good. You know, Windows XP, it's still running. Downloads, Google Chrome, Command Prompt, Utility Manager. Let's look at this Utility Manager. This is okay. What is this? If you open Utility Manager from the Start menu, you cannot manage your programs when you lock or unlock your computer. Instead, exit Utility Manager and restart by pressing Windows logo key. Okay. Okay, this gives you access to the magnifier. That's a good little thing. See, it magnifies. Minesweeper magnified. Start menu magnified. It's kind of cool, actually. I like it. And then over here we have Star Trek. What's the time? Let's look at the time. Time is a 1114, 11:14 Monday. Is the date correct? I was hoping I could show the pop-up. Anyways. Magnifier is intended to provide minimum level of functionality. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I just exited. Okay, start. I didn't mean to exit it. Man, this is annoying a bit. Okay, the date is, oh, there we go. Monday, February 24th. Everything's still perfect with this. And this computer is over 20 years old and everything's working perfectly. So that shows you how computer technology lasts, right? My dad got this in literally 2004. It's now 2025. It's 21 years later. Everything is still working perfectly. DOSBox. We'll close this magnifier. Oh wait, there's also narrator. How does narrator work? So narrator can read aloud menu commands, dialog box. Okay. How do you get it to start though? Let's focus on narrator. Get narrator going. You can choose Microsoft Sam, like Uncle Sam. Oh, it's the reason I can't hear it is because I don't have my speakers hooked up. So let's exit narrator. Yeah, I'm interested in software. I'm a software developer, software engineer, software business person. You know, you have to be multi. You have to wear many different hats, right? When you're working in, if you want to level up in the video game. On-screen keyboard is running. Okay, what is that? On-screen keyboard. Okay, there it is. That's the one we saw earlier. Doesn't seem to be working properly. Oh, there. Okay, so that's a good one. I like on-screen keyboard a lot. Because look, I can go into, say, Word. Microsoft Word. There we go. Still works. 2007. 2 more years and this will be 20 years old software. But look, I can go Shift. And how do I lock Shift? Maybe that's lock. I don't know how I get caps. Anyways, I'll write my name. Andrew. There we go. And then Phillips. Gotta spell it right? So it did the caps lock, but it doesn't show up on the screen as caps lock. Oh, I see what it's doing. It's got the auto. I don't like that auto thing. Let's turn that feature off. How do we turn that off? Do we have to go back to the other thing? Is there options within this? I think there is. Oh no, it has to be in here. Typing mode, there we go. So hover, how about click to select? That's easy. That's the one I like, click to select. On-screen keyboard has encountered a problem, needs to close. Oh, maybe not everything's working perfectly. On-screen keyboard has encountered a problem. Okay, click here for more info. Error, app name, OSK, on-screen keyboard. App version 5.1.26005.5512. Mod name msSWCH.dll. To view technical information about the error, click here. Oh, there, so there's some more information. See, this can be copy and paste. I think it can, or maybe not. Oh, they don't allow you to copy paste, but they show you where it is, the error report. So if I take this, and I go Timothy locals temp, let's go find that file now. Let's see if we can find it. This is kind of fun. Let's see if we can find that. All right. So, documents. Or no, first we have to go C. So my computer. And then expand that, go to C. Then it's under documents. There. And then there's Timothy. And then locals. Local, yeah. And then temp. And then B36. I don't really see it though. That's weird. Maybe there's another temp. Maybe there's another locals. Maybe there's another Timothy. Now I'm getting confused. Maybe there's another documents. No, documents. Timothy. Local. Maybe it's hidden. So we're gonna have to go in here and make sure we can see everything. So I think it might be show hidden files. Display everything. So it should not be hiding anything. Yeah, this is hard. Temp B36. Oh, I know why. Because it's not a folder. I was looking for a folder. So that I made a mistake there. So close folder options, go back. And it's in temp. And then it's in just a file in the temp folder. And I could go date modified, and it should be right at the top. B36. There it is. There it is. What the hell did it just do? It tried to open everything? I just opened like a million files. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I just broke my dad's 20-year-old computer. Oh. I gotta end this. My Annie was calling from Ann was calling from LifeWave. I gotta call her back. All right, let's end this. Let's make sure we get the file though that we were looking for. Let's make sure we get that file we were looking for. I'll end this at 22 minutes. We gotta close this because it's very cold. Very cold out. So let's find out what we're looking for. The computer doesn't crash. Oh, it opened Microsoft. We don't want Internet Explorer. We don't need that. So what was the original? There we go. Okay. So there was some kind of problem there where it tried to select. It tried to select everything for some reason. And I think it opened even more stuff. Oh, I see. Debugger, postmortem. Oh, postmortem, that sounds pretty extreme. So we're gonna close this on screen. It's getting annoying. So we have to close that. This has just been a fun little exercise in looking at Windows XP. What I could do now, things don't seem to be responding. You go Control-Alt-Delete. You go into Task Manager. You go into Applications. You can end task on anything you want here. And you can sort by user. So anything that's running under Timothy can be ended, right? So why don't I go in and end that on-screen keyboard right here? I'll end it. End process, yes. So that's going to end that program, hopefully. It's going to close now. Should close. It should close. We're on the internet, which is kind of neat, seeing as this is a very old computer. I have access to the internet. That's very cool, right? Google.com. I could go maybe PCGamer.com. See if that works. Oops, I didn't type it right. There, PCGamer.com. Found it. Dr. Watson postmortem. And then there'll be another file for that one, right? And that one's in temp/w. Oh, that's very interesting. Okay, let's find that one. Word. That's this one here. Right